respected Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, my senior colleague in the government Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, the boys and girls from various schools of Delhi, the distinguished citizens of Delhi, my fellow parliament members and dignitaries from various walks of public life, brothers and sisters. Today, indeed a historic day. About 100 years ago, a great soul from Gujarat has stirred the conscience of our country in respect of a matter of daily concern, that being keeping our body and the surrounding clean. Now, after 100 years, another soul from Gujarat is now leading this campaign for Clean India. Mahatma Gandhi wrote in his columns some 100 years back, how can we seek God's blessing with an unclean body and mind? But even after 100 years, that is the situation, unfortunately. So friends, that's why the Honorable Prime Minister has decided about launching this campaign. And the Prime Minister wants this campaign to be a people's campaign rather than a mere government campaign. I am confident centre, states, urban local bodies, Panchayat Raj institutions, social organizations, religious gurus, icons from the sports, icons from the cinema field, icons from various walks of life, if all of us join together, we can definitely make it a people's movement. I am confident about it because the way these sections of the people have responded to our request is really heartening, and I am confident, I assure you, Prime Minister, that we will definitely convert this into a people's campaign. By 2019, October 2nd, 150th anniversary of birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we will definitely make India clean, and we will make a clean India and a great India also. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi said, cleanliness is next to godliness. Mahatma Gandhi also said, he gave a powerful statement, sanitation is more important than political freedom. He said it 100 years back. Today also it's very much relevant. Sanitation is the need of the hour because it's linked with the health of the people. And poor people are the worst affected by this lack of sanitation. Keeping that in mind, both myself and my brother Minister Nitin Gadkari, we have taken up a massive scheme called a Swachh Bharat Mission. The Prime Minister is kind enough to set up a Swachh Bharat Kosh, while lots of money is coming from well-meaning people. And the corporate sector also has been asked to perform their corporate social responsibility of taking care of the sanitation across the country, and more particularly about the sanitation facilities for the girl students in the schools. That will be the priority. In the coming days, I am sure, as I told you, that the states are all positively responding. I have spoken to chief ministers, I have spoken to governors, and we have communicated to the chief secretaries, district magistrates, we have communicated to the sarpanchas and also the municipal chairmen at various levels. Prime Minister, I can tell you the response is overwhelming. That being the case, I am confident that this campaign will sustain. In the coming days, we will devolve ways and means of working out strategy for a sustained campaigning across the country. I would urge upon the media, electronic media and print media, to provide some space and take this as a responsibility of ours to see that this campaign is highlighted positively, and if there are shortcomings also, they can also be highlighted so that the bureaucracy and the political leadership will always be alert to the reality of the situation. Friends, today I am very happy the way in which the Delhi government and the NDMC and the DDA and other related organizations in Delhi had made preparations from the birthday of Deen Dayal Upadhyaya on 25th of September to today. They made a great effort. But this 1 week effort alone will not suffice. We have to sustain it in long term. For that, we need to involve every section of the society, not only government, semi-government and non-government, and also various leaders. I am very happy that when I spoke to so many leaders from different walks of life, they were all forthcoming. They said it's a people's campaign. They are very highly appreciative about the initiative taken by Honorable Prime Minister. Our Prime Minister has a great capacity to connect with the people. Prime Minister, with your direct connection with the people, I am sure this will catch the imagination of the people, and people will realize their responsibilities, and they will all join together to make their surroundings clean. Simple advice, my last advice is, keep your house clean, home, your neighborhood, your workplace, and your worship place, then everything will be clean. That is the simple advice I give to all my countrymen from this podium today. And I hope after the Prime Minister's speech, when we join the marathon, we will all be making a determination to take this movement into a people's movement. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind. मैं जानबूझकर थोड़ा अंग्रेजी में बोला, कारण क्या है, हमारा साथी नितिन गडकरी जी हिंदी में बोला, प्रधानमंत्री जी का भाषण राष्ट्रभाषा में होगा, हिंदी में होगा, इसलिए मैंने सोचा जो लोग जिनको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आते दक्षिण में और अन्य इलाका में, उनके लिए कुछ शब्द मैंने अंग्रेजी में बोला है। मैं चाहता हूं हम सब लोग इसमें एक साथ होकर, एकजुट होकर, मिलकर इस आंदोलन को जन आंदोलन बनाए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार। जय हिंद।